Hello, today we will see together how to create this effect where there is a box with our own logo that will open in the middle of a room and furnish the room. So for that, you need to have previously done home staging in the home staging section. So we will do it. Quickly, we are going to go to home staging, create a project. We will call it project cardboard. Here, I will drop my image and then I click on furnish an empty room. I choose my type, so for example living room style, modern, and I click on generate. I could also have started from a furnished photo and chosen to empty it by clicking on decluttering. So now that I have my image, I will then be able to go into AI video, create for example a new project, cardboard to and there. I will go into the effects of type before, after home staging. All these effects require each time a before image and an after image, home staging, and there I will go to cardboard with logo. So here I will choose my image before the home staging, so it's my empty living room. Then the image after home staging, so it's the living room with the building. And then I am asked to put my logo. I had already put it, and then you can generate the video. And here, the video is now finished, so I have my card that arrives at the beginning. The principle is the same for all the before, after, home staging effects. It will always be necessary to attach a photo of the room before the home staging and after the home staging. There you go. Do not hesitate to contact us if you have any questions.